So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we got something very different here. Yeah, it's a Infinity Nado. So I wanted to try an Infinity Nado. So this is the cheapest Infinity Nado I could find. So in India it cost around 599 Indian rupees. तो इसका अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं, देखते हैं कैसा है. So let's just unbox it. Let's keep this aside for a while. Okay. So this is our Infinity Nado. बाहर आ गया है. So we got a key, I suppose, a ripcord. Oh my god, this is really heavy, man. I don't know कि वीडियो में दिख रहा होगा, but literally this is made from pure metal and it's freakingly heavy. I doubt any Beyblade would be able to knock it that easily. Okay, I don't know what these parts are called. I would have loved a metal tip, but no worries because it's the cheapest Nado available. So I think in the newest Nado they come with a metal tip. So koi nahi. Okay, so we got all the parts out. Let's see how to assemble it. Okay, so this goes on the very top. After that, this part comes into the picture. So this is called Mars cover. According to this, it is called Mars cover. It is called Mars crystal. This metal thing is attack ring. It is a center axle and this is a tip. I don't know who came up with this weird naming convention, but no worries. Okay, I think it is supposed to go like this. Now we have to give it a test spin. Let's try launcher first. Okay, so the cord is supposed to go like this. Yeah, I think it should work. The launcher could have been made with a better quality or something. No worries, for the price I cannot complain a lot. Anyways, this is a pretty heavy spinner. So we brought our stadium. Let's give it a spin. तो उसको try करते हैं. So 3, 2, 1, go Nado. So I think it is supposed to be a stamina type bay. That's why it's spinning it at the same place and it's going on and on. I mean, it's a pretty amazing spinner. It's really heavy. So if you wanna buy a durable Beyblade or something and you cannot get a Beyblade, this could be the better alternative. So मेरे को इन launchers का quality कुछ खास अच्छा नहीं लगा, but I seriously like the quality of the spinner. So call whatever you wanna, a spinner, a Beyblade, whatever you wanna call. So that is made of some good quality. So for this, let's try it with some like some R Beyblades of burst generations. Let's see how this stacks up against that. So let's give it another shot, and this time we'll launch our one of the Beyblades to see how this works. So here goes our cyan spout. Now I'm gonna use my Lost Lunar against it. Shit, dude, that's some serious damage you can see. So as you can see, Lunar busted with a burst finish on a first contact, and it's because of its weight and its heavy metal ring. It's not gonna go down easy. So you can see what happens when a normal Beyblade attacks a Nado. Nado destroys it. So if you are trying to battle your Beyblades with Nado, it might not end well for your Beyblade. So here goes our cyan spout. 3, 2, 1, Nado. And here goes our Fafnir. Oh my god. Damn. Look at the blow. Look at the blow. Come on, give me some space, man. Okay, so Fafnir 8 lost, which was expected, but at least it didn't burst. So you can see it was very close to getting burst. So if we would have launched it in the very beginning, this might have burst. So I would say this is a pretty dangerous bay. Keep that in mind. So if you're buying it, make sure that your bays are powerful enough to handle it. So if you have a metal fight Beyblades, that might be like a proper bay to fight with it. But I highly doubt they also gonna stand any chance. So the only good comparison I can see for this is, so this bay I bought from a local market. It's pretty cheap. I bought it for 100 rupees. So this is not as heavy as this. It is not too heavy, but it is also a pretty destructive bay. You can see the size, the metal rings and all, right? So this battle might be like worth a while to watch, but I highly doubt this stadium's gonna handle it. So let me know in the comment section, do you want me to do it? Because I have a bigger stadium, we can make use of that. So I think guys, that's it pretty much for today. And let me know what do you think about this cyan spout from Infinity Nado. I think Infinity Nado spinners are really good. They are a great replacement for a bay. They don't live up to the legacy, but they are pretty good. So Infinity Nado is not a Takara Tomy product. It's not a Beyblade. That doesn't mean it's not a good spinner. It is a pretty good spinner and it is way more powerful than a Beyblade. So they did a pretty decent job designing this guy. I mean, I think I love it because for the 599 it's a steal. So let me know if you want to see more videos on Infinity Nado. I was thinking to buy a Super Whisker or Blade, the new gen Infinity Nados which are out there. And those Infinity Nado base, they deliver some serious damage. So I might buy them. It depends on your response on this video. So let me know in the comment section. What do you think about these bays? So guys, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, if you do, let me know that in comment section. And we'll see you guys in another video of mine. Till then, happy blading and stay safe.